Hey guys, what's up? This is Jailus Creatives and welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to create realistic shadows and highlights. So first, create a new layer by clicking this icon. Hold the left mouse button and drag it below the object. Select a brush tool by pressing B or clicking the brush tool in the toolbar. Your foreground color should be black, opacity at 100%, flow at 100%, and make sure your brush is a soft round brush which is hardness at 0%. Now change the perspective of the brush. Just drag this little circle here and just copy the angle of the cement which is a bit going down. So just drag this arrow, I think maybe this one. Okay, so there you go. So let's delete this part here because the sun is up top, then the angle should only be here. So to delete this layer, just press E or choose the eraser tool in the toolbar and just delete. Just brush it. Okay. And now let's create a shadow in the object. So select the object, which is the ball layer. Create a new adjustment layer by clicking this icon. Hue or saturation. Create a clipping mask to affect only the object, which is the ball. And decrease the lightness. Press Ctrl or Command I to invert the color. And now let's paint using a brush tool by pressing B again. And change the perspective back to normal. Make sure your foreground color is white and background is black. Decrease the opacity and the flow. And just paint the object like this. So this part, the lower part, is the darkest one. Then let's work our way up, which is a little bit lighter. Okay, and now to create some highlights in the object, so press the object again, click a new adjustment layer, and select brightness. So let's max out the brightness. Press Ctrl or Command I again. Use the brush tool by pressing B and just paint the upper part of the object. Okay, so this is the before and this is the after. And that's it. That's how you create realistic shadows and highlights. I hope you've learned from this tutorial. Please do subscribe to my channel and click that like button and notification bell. And see you in my next video.